Okay, welcome to another exciting video where we have the full X-T Pro series lineup from the fabulous X-T5, X-T4, X-T3, X-T2, and X-T1. You can really see the difference in the silvers as they evolved here. But other than that, we are here to hear the shutter sound. So I'm going to set the camera, each camera, in the center spot so it's similar. Of course, unfortunately, this glass top will accentuate some of the sounds, but you will hear the differences no matter what. So let's go. Let's get these set up here. Move this guy out of the way. We'll start with number 1 in the center spot there. And let's take a listen. Nice. See the speed pick up right there. Now the quiet first of the new shutters. Oh, thing of beauty. And the fabulous X-T5 Speed Demon. Very smooth and responsive shutter as well. And there you have it. All the cameras, all the sounds ready to rumble with you. And if I could try, boom, boom. Look at that. There you have it. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe subscribe. I need to get to 1,000. Thanks.